You have to come out of there eventually. You have to come out of there eventually. It's only a matter of time. It's only a matter of time. Next time, you'll be mine. Next time, you'll be mine. You can't hide forever. You can't hide forever. Always running away. Always running away. You think you can hide. You think you can hide? You can't hide from me. You can't hide from me. I see you there. I see you there. I see you there. Such a coward. Such a coward. You think you're so clever? You think you're so clever. Come out wherever you are. Huff, puff, little wolf. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. I'm beginning to lose my patience. Don't you want me to be perfect? Don't you want me to be perfect? You better run. In truth, a twisted angel named Alice, luring Boris to his doom. So Boris ran. The queen of the dark puddles would not so easily be eluded. But another hunter seized its moment to strike. Named Sammy Lawrence, the mad maestro hid from the world. His restless soul his fingers. But he was not alone. I don't know why I'm even recording this, but I don't know what else to do. Please, whoever you may be, I need your help. My name is Mila. Several days ago, I got lost down in this terrible place. There are monsters here. Things I can't even describe. They're all trying to kill me. I can hear them outside. Please look for my messages. Please, come find me. My father was a butcher. Rest his soul. My mother and I had only each other while I was growing up. She taught me how to be resilient, strong. But now, I am afraid of that demon outside my door. I saw so many things dismembered in my father's butcher shop. I'm having images of myself ending up as they did, their bodies broken and pulled apart. Please come find me. I don't know how much longer I can stay alive. I like to pretend someone is coming for me. At any moment, someone will open this door and save me from this suffering. If a hero exists, no matter what size or shape they may take, now is the time. Please come find me. I am not one to lie. I don't like when people lie to me. My mother always told me, honesty, Mila. Always honesty. Be bright and smile wide. Good things will come. But I can see the world is a cruel place. I want to shine, but it's so dark. Hope is fading down here. The monsters are closing in. Please come find me. There isn't much time. If you found my messages, here is my last one. So this is my final plea. If anyone is out there, if there's anything good left in this world, look for my hidden key and then find my door. Please come find me before it's too late. Sincerely, Mila Lenya.